Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Northern Ireland. Overnight winds from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Middle Lake until 9:55 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles northeast of Elgin, or 18 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor, moving east of 45 miles. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged from deep winds and waves. Locations and locations include Wilmette Harbor. The current time is 9:50.